Hello everyone, welcome back to Gowri kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make ice biryani. Before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. First, let's prepare one of the side dish. It's yam fry. Now let's take a mud pot and beat 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Add required amount of salt, handful of coriander leaves, half cup of small onions finely chopped, few curry leaves and a small piece of raw mango. Mix all the ingredients together. Here I have 2 cups of fermented rice. For getting fermented rice, just take a bowl full of rice and submerge in water and keep it overnight. You will get fermented rice. This ice biryani has many benefits for our body, so just try once in this summer and post your valuable comments below. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.